Today is the Disability Cricket Day, and in partnership with the MCC, we are launching Waymap across the entire Lord's Cricket Stadium. What that means is this will be the first sports stadium globally to have our technology.
Well, I mean, obviously launching Waymap has been fantastic. We are the first sports venue across the world to be launching in partnership with Waymap, and I think any navigation app of this kind. The Waymap allows the ground to become more inclusive to a wider range and a wider audience of people.
Anybody who comes down to the ground today and onwards can download the app on iOS and on Android, and you can use it to get to your seats, to find food and beverage options, to find the specific gate that you need to get into the stadium. So it's an absolute pleasure to partner with the MCC to bring this technology that places them as a real cutting-edge organisation steeped in as much history as the MCC is, which is really exciting.